None? Ever wondered why Somali nomads treasure their camels so much? Stick around, we're about to spill the milk on this cultural gem. In Somali culture, camels are more than just animals, they're lifelines. Camel milk in particular is a superstar, packed with vitamins and minerals. It's like nature's very own energy drink. Need hydration in the scorching desert? Camel milk's got you covered. Got a health issue from diabetes to eczema? Camel milk's been the go-to remedy for generations, but that's not all. It's also a centerpiece at cultural celebrations, a symbol of hospitality and a key ingredient in delicious traditional dishes like kano gil and lako makan. And if you fancy a refreshing drink, try some fermented camel milk beverages like laban or souf. Even with urbanization, camel milk remains a cherished part of Somali life, bridging the past and present. So next time you think of milk, remember, camel milk is not just a drink, it's a cultural legacy. Cheers to that!
If you don't like boring breakfasts but still crave something unique, then try Somali pancakes and camel milk tea. First up, Somali pancakes or Malawahs. Think of them as a delicious cross between crepes and pancakes. Mix flour, water, and sometimes yeast into a smooth batter. Pour it onto a hot griddle, wait till it's golden brown, and voila! Pair with ghee, honey, or a sprinkle of sugar for that perfect bite. Now let's talk camel milk tea. Camel milk has been a nutrient-rich staple in Somalia for centuries. Heat the milk and add tea leaves to create a warm, comforting beverage. It's not just tea, it's tradition in a cup. Together, these make for a breakfast that's not only tasty, but a beautiful slice of Somali culture. Perfect for food lovers looking to try something new. Subscribe for more culinary adventures. #Somali Breakfast.